welcome to another Vlogmas. First and foremost, I want to apologize for this. I had said in a video a few days ago that I cannot try to be somebody that I'm not, and I always see, I'm sorry, Bodie's playing with a toy and he incessantly squeaks it. I said that I was not going to try to be somebody that I'm not, and I'm not the kind of person that gets up first thing in the morning on a weekend and takes a shower, does my hair, does my makeup, especially if I've got cleaning to do. As you can see, my house is a wreck. I know also a lot of people say that they don't like when people do cleaning videos and it looks like their house is clean before they start. Believe you me, my house is not clean when I start cleaning a video. Hold on just 1 second, because okay. Give me it. Okay, sorry. So I don't want to have to take the time to get ready every single time I want to film, because then that just takes more time out of the day. So I apologize. I don't wake up beautiful like almost everybody else on YouTube, but this is life. And if I'm going to do this channel, I'm going to have to do it just normal, like my normal life. So this is it, like it or not. So today I do have some cleaning to do and some laundry to do, and I think later on one of my best friends is coming into town, and we are going to get together with some other best friends and have some dinner. So hopefully, if it's okay with them, we will bring you guys along and you can see some of that. But it's really good because I don't hardly get to see her, and so every time she comes to town I try to take advantage of that. But that being said, I'm gonna get some laundry done and some cleaning done, so stick around. It'll be great. It'll be fun. Thanks.
There's butterflies in my palms and in my eyes. Now echoes from the other night, gossip about our delight. What if we would join our forces? What a bliss. You make me understand this place. hard to agree with what you're trying to explain. I don't mind feather wings, no diamond rings, but that's not how you get to me, no. We could sit in the shade, talk till late, and then we'll see. We can go for walks, stroll down the city park, and maybe, just maybe, sweet delivery is never guaranteed, no matter the place or time. Oh, I like when you're whispering and really listening. Not too much fuss, so keep it easy. We could sit in the shade, talk till late, and then we'll see. We can go for walks, stroll down the city park, and maybe, just maybe, take my hand, come on, let's go. And false behavior. Oh, don't put on a show. Let's just sit in the shade and talk till late. We can go for walks, stroll down the city park, and maybe, just maybe, we could sit in the shade.
Okay, so I wanted to show you, these are the jeans that I got at Walmart yesterday. They're super soft, very stretchy. They're mid-rise, which is great. Hides the gut a little bit. Go check them out. They're, like I said, they were like $16, like $17, I think. Don't mind my mess back there. I've been doing laundry. This is not the shirt that I got. This is what I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna put some boots on and go have dinner with my girlfriends.
Just